Alright guys, welcome to Elite Crypto. My name is Alex, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to list and sell NFT on a particular platform with cheaper gas fees. Alright, so what are NFTs? NFTs are non-fungible tokens. Alright, they are digital assets like your art, your music, videos. You can convert them to NFTs. Alright, not only pictures. You can anything you own that's yours, you can sell it on a particular marketplace, and we have different marketplace on different blockchains. All right, like on the Ethereum network or Ethereum blockchain, we have the OpenSea, we have the Luxray. Also, when you go to avax have its own marketplace like Carlo and NFT trade. All right, different marketplace to sell different NFTs. All right, depending on the blockchain, but the most popular is the OpenSea and Luxray. All right, because of its audience, it's more popular. But currently, avax, Solana, and Arbitrum are beginning to come up also, and most persons are leaving OpenSea and Luxray because of its high gas fees. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to mint a particular NFT with cheaper gas fees. All right, so for this video I'm making use of the Coin98 app. So if you don't have it installed on your device, use your Google Play Store or iOS Store and download it. All right, so this is how it looks like after downloading. Okay, so when you've successfully downloaded your Coin98, you click on this browser icon here below. You click on it and it shows this way, browser. So what you have to do, you have to click on search and type refinable.com. So you click on it and it's going to load. All right, okay, so this is refinable. And one good thing about Coin98 is you can easily change network. All right, you can easily just change network without going to look for figures like MetaMask. You have to start looking for the figures and what have you to connect. But this, if I want to change this now to smart chain, because we are going to use smart chain, I'm going to click on this icon below showing elite. I'll click on it and change this to Binance smart chain. As you can see here, Binance smart chain, we have different networks. As you can see, different networks. That's the beauty of Coin98. I'm going to use this and I'll change this to elite. All right, okay, so I successfully switched my network to elite. So what I'm going to do is come here and click on marketplace, and this three icon here at the top right corner, I'm going to click on it and select marketplace. All right, so after selecting this, I'm going to now connect my wallet. You click on this connect icon here, click on connect and select this. As you can see, verify signature, and I'll click on approve. All right, nice. I've successfully connected my wallet to it. As you can see, this is my wallet, so I can disconnect also. So it has successfully connected. Now, how are you going to now create your NFT and put it up for sale? So this is what we have to do. You click on this top right hand corner, these three menu there, that menu bar. You're going to click on it and select create. Then what you have to do, you have to now upload your NFT. All right, you have to now upload your NFT. So let's assume you've already drawn or copied your NFT from anywhere. You just have to choose click on choose file, and so this is it. So this is what we're going to do to select our NFT. All right, so this is it. All right guys, so this is my NFT, guys. This is my own NFT. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how you're going to sell this. Okay, So we're going to select Binance Smart Chain as network. All right, Binance Smart Chain for this. All right, so title of this my NFT, I'm going to call it slime or snail or slow snail. Let me give it a name, slow snail. That will be the name of my own NFT, slow snail. And I'm going to describe it as let me say slow snail on water or snail on water, just something catchy. Snail on water. Okay, snail on water. So that's just it. Then I'm going to add tags. Now tags make your NFT easily to be discovered on the marketplace. All right, now if someone wants to search for snail on water or snail, my NFT is going to pop up. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put in snail. So if someone search for snail, my NFT is going to pop up, and I'm going to put slimy or slime. Then I'm going to put snail on water, snail, or let me put in snake. I saw snake, so something close. You understand? Just have to look for something close. I'll make yours pop up also. I'm going to use this. So snail, slime, snake, and let me put slimy. Slimy. Use slimy. Okay. So alright, so these are my tags. So if anybody search for this, my NFT is going to pop up. That's what it simply means. If anybody search for snail, slime, or snake, or slimy, my NFT is going to pop up, and I have just one edition of it. Alright, just have one. Then what I'm going to do is royalties. Now, how does royalties work? Let's assume someone buys this NFT and wants to resell. When the person resells, I'm going to get a particular percentage for the sale of that NFT because I'm the original owner. All right, I just sold it to him. So if the person is reselling it, I'm going to take a particular percentage. So I can put in 2% of whatever the person is going to sell. You understand? If the person is selling it for $20, 2% of $20, I'll just take just 2% of that $20. That's all. I can put in 30, I can put in 20, as the case may be, but I'm going to put just 2. Alright, I'm going to put in just 2%. Then I'm going to click on list for sale, turn it on. Alright, so successfully turn it on. Now I don't want auction price, I want a fixed price because auction is going to give me time and I'm going to start imputing how much I want to sell. So I don't have time for this, so I'm going to use fixed price. Okay, I'm going to input how much I want to sell my NFT. So I'm going to use let me say 4 BNB to sell, or 3 BNB to sell my NFT. All right, so after doing this, I'll click on agree. So these are my NFTs going to appear, slow snail, unique, just like this. So if I wants to buy, just going to click on it and purchase it. So I have to click on agree and continue. Okay, let me use one. Okay, I'm going to use just 1%. Just 1%. You can decide to use 0% also, as the case may be. It depends on you. If you don't want to get a particular percentage, okay. If you want to get a particular percentage, you can just leave it. But I'm using just 1%. Just 1% of the sale. All right. So this is how it's going to be. So wait for it to load, and you see the minting price, which is the gas fee, how much we are going to pay to list this NFT. So guys, if you are good with graphics, Adobe Illustrator or Illustrator maybe Adobe After Effects, any of those graphics software. If you are good with them, guys, you can list your NFTs on this site. All right, you can list your NFTs here and also on Binance and make cool cash. All right, so guys, let's wait for this to upload. Okay, it has been uploaded successfully. Now let's see how much we are going to pay for minting. All right, now this is how much we are going to pay for minting: 0.76. So you can see it's even less than $1 just to mint that NFT. Are you seeing it, guys? We're going to just pay just this. Very cheap. Are you seeing it, guys? Very cheap. 0.76794. That's what we are going to pay to list this particular NFT, guys. So that is it. I'm not listing mine, so I'm just going to cancel because I'm not listing mine. All right, so guys, that's how you list your NFT on this particular marketplace. Very cheap and easy. As you can see, creator, this is my address. You can view, you can buy, just buy for 3 BNB, and that's all. This is how my NFT is going to show. You see it, guys. So this is it. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, guys, please do well to like my video, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. So I'll be dropping more NFTs and more crypto videos.